I got a compression shirt and it's my new favorite thing. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot of this. Yeah. Oh, those are hard. Oh my days. Oh my days. I didn't even get 2 proper ones done. No, bro. Who do you expect me to be? Who do you think I am? I didn't even do them properly and they're still painting my whole existence. What is going on with the wind today? It's so loud. Why are we doing this? Hush yourself. These, they're so odd. I don't like them. No, I was supposed to do 4. I barely got 2 done. Oh my days. I'm not doing this properly. Oh my days. That is so hard. That is so hard. Oh my days. No, I can't. Let me rest properly. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm really starting to feel the chill now. I know I have my hoodie, but like, they're so hard. I don't know why I thought they'd be easy before I tried them. They did not look hard at all. But then when I tried them, it was like, okay, cool, I'm a bum. Yeah. We're gonna just do a max set of wide pull-ups, and then we're gonna try the pull-ups afterwards. Oh my days. Come on. I don't think that one counted. Oof, but that was a good set. I had fun. Yeah. I don't know how many I did, but that felt like a good amount, so I'm happy with myself. Oof. Wow. Oof. The wind's not high enough for me to... But it feels like it's... But look, if it was like strong enough to do that, I would fly away and I would not come back. Like, I would get taken up into the sky and that would be the end of me. So I'm kind of happy it's not that strong. How many of the wides did I do? I remember when I started them, I think I only got like 5. I think I got like 6, 7. My bad. I do feel really good this week for whatever reason. Like, I feel powerful, I feel strong. Yeah. No, so wide pull-ups. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be fine. Kind of scared I'm only gonna get 2, but it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be fine. Yeah. I woke up so late today, guys. I'm so annoyed that I woke up so late. I need to start forcing myself to wake up earlier again. Because what is this? Why am I here at big old 3 p.m? When I started, I was coming here at 7 a.m. in the morning. Why am I here at 3 p.m? What's going on? What a fall from grace. I'm such a bum. On my face. Oh, I couldn't catch that one. It was too far. Come on. There we go. One more. Come on. One more. I'm tired. Oh my days. Come on. No. Oh, I definitely feel that one. Ugh. Oh, I feel nasty. Ew. Yuck. Oh, that's nasty. Ugh. I got 7 there, so I'm not too sad. You know, I'm getting better because those, I used to feel real badly at those. Ugh. That's nasty. Ugh. I don't know why I feel so accomplished today. I have not done the word. Strength has been built today. Yes. Muscles have developed today. And that. We're gonna do one more try of the pull-ups and see if I can do them. And it's starting to rain. Okay. And I didn't bring my raincoat either. I just brought a hoodie because I was like, it's not that cold. It's just a little bit of wind. I don't need to protect myself from the elements. And now the elements are just here violating, taking a piss. It's just little spits of rain as well. I feel like that's just disrespectful. Okay? Because if it's just hella rain and it's just but just little spits of rain, like someone's tinkling on you. What's going on? This is a piss take, man. We're gonna try the pull-ups one more time. One more time. Do I have this? We already know the answer. I don't know why you're asking. Oh wow, I do not have strength. Okay, no, I can't. I think maybe my arms need to be wider actually. I think that might be the problem. I don't think my arms are wide enough. My arms need to be like proper, like that, like at the end of the bars. But then that's confusing because I'm tiny. Wingspan non-existent. So how are people normal size supposed to do them on here. This is 40. Well, actually, no. Everyone else is 40. This was made specifically for me. Perfect size for me to do it. Everyone else, bun you. I'm sorry. I apologize dearly. You're not defective. This is defective, and I'm just defective with it. Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, wow. I feel like I felt something click. I'm too prepubescent for things to be making noise within my body. So what is going on, okay? What is going on? Oh my days. My body doesn't want to. I'm delirious. I need to eat. I'm in pain. Okay, come on, last one. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. This is what we want. This is what we like. We like the feeling of not being able to, yeah, you get me. Okay. Oh my days. Oh, I can't. Guys, I actually can't. It's fine. This side is stronger than this side, so it's okay. But wow. I'm a bomb. Why is Big Man crying? Big Man's crying. Okay. I want to cry, to be fair, so I can't even blame him. I'll cry with him, bro. Wearing that.